Dimension Zero asks the question, who would win in a one-on-one battle? The Borg Cube or the Death Star 2? The Borg ship is a 3,000-meter cube that carries up to 130,000 drones. But the Borg Cube is more than just a giant ship. It is a self-repairing cybernetic fortress, equipped with cutting beams, tractor systems, transporter technology, and adaptive energy weapons designed to overwhelm enemy defenses. It's a machine built for one purpose: assimilation. The Borg don't just fight, they adapt. Their weapons evolve in real time. What works against them once may never work again. Their defensive shields adjust as needed. They are designed to analyze incoming weapon frequencies and compensate on the fly. Damage them, and they regenerate. Attack them, and they learn. Resistance is futile. The Death Star 2 is a weapon of unimaginable scale. It's 200 kilometers in diameter with a crew of over 2 million. That's not a warship. That's an artificial moon built for planetary-scale destruction. The energy output of its reactor dwarfs almost anything the Borg have ever encountered. It doesn't need to adapt. It simply destroys. A single shot from its superlaser can wipe out an entire planet in seconds. Its defenses are monstrous. Thousands of heavy turbo lasers unleashing plasma at over 25,000 degrees Celsius. Ion cannons designed to cripple enemy systems. And swarms of TIE fighters acting as a moving perimeter defense. So what would happen if they met in open space? The Borg would probe, analyze, and adapt. They would begin testing weapon frequencies, scanning for shield harmonics, searching for reactor vulnerabilities, exhaust channels, maintenance corridors, any weakness they can exploit. Because if even one drone breaches the defenses, the Death Star doesn't get destroyed. It gets assimilated. But the Death Star doesn't need precision. It just needs one shot. One clear line of fire, and the Borg Cube is gone. Even if the entire mass of the Borg Cube was antimatter, it couldn't come close to generating enough power to defend against such a weapon. But what if the Borg tried transporting directly onto the Death Star? The Empire wouldn't panic. The Death Star is built like a military fortress. Blast doors would be sealed, corridors locked down, security forces mobilized en masse. And contrary to movie memes, stormtroopers are highly trained military soldiers designed for close-quarters combat. And then there's the greatest wild card of all, Darth Vader. What damage could a fully unleashed, rage-fueled Darth Vader actually do? Do we even know? A cybernetic killing machine, empowered by the dark side. But if even a handful of Borg drones reach the Death Star's core systems, it's over. The Empire's greatest superweapon would now belong to the Borg. This is evolution versus annihilation. A species capable of adapting its weapons and defenses on demand versus a weapon of absolute power. So does the Borg learn fast enough, or does the Death Star fire the death blow first? Let us know what you think in the comments.